Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching versions. This prevents crashes. Once the game and loader are aligned, install Forge or Fabric and run the client to generate profiles. Then place the camera mod or security craft. Jar into the mods folder of your Minecraft directory. Make sure you use the correct mod build for your loader. Fabric builds will not work on Forge. After adding the file, relaunch Minecraft with that loader profile, so the mod initializes and appears in the mods menu. Next, configure the mod. Open the mod options to set camera range, permissions, and keybinds. This determines who can access feeds and how far the camera sees. Then craft the camera item using the mod recipe, or use /give with the mod item ID for testing. Place the camera on a wall or tripod and connect it to power or a linked block if the mod requires energy. Make sure to bind a hotkey for viewing, and test a short range first so you can adjust sensitivity. Finally, access camera feeds with the viewer item or your chosen hotkey. You can cycle between linked cameras and zoom if the mod supports it. For multi-camera setups, use the mod's linking tool or GUI to name and group cameras so you can jump instantly between locations. If something fails, check the Minecraft game log for errors, verify mod and loader versions match, and temporarily remove other mods to isolate conflicts. This single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.